Hi everyone, let's start with the first project of intelligent operation and maintenance of industrial robot systems. An overview of industrial robots. In this class, we will learn Task 2, exploring the history of industrial robots. Part 1. Task Description. From ancient myths and legends to modern science fiction novels, plays, movies, and television shows, robots have been vividly depicted in various forms. Today, robots have entered an era of rapid development. Students are required to understand the long history of robots and the 3 laws of robotics proposed by Asimov, as well as to familiarize themselves with the key milestones in the evolution of modern industrial robots. The logical framework of this task is illustrated in Figure 1-2, which traces the evolution from the rudimentary concepts and imaginative visions of ancient robots to the development of modern industrial robots. Part 2. Knowledge Learning. Humanity's dream of creating robots stretches back thousands of years. In the 3rd century BC, according to legend, the ancient Greek inventor Daedalus forged a bronze guardian named Talos for King Minos of Crete to protect the island. As recorded in 列子汤问, during the Western Zhou dynasty, the skilled craftsman Yan Shi of China invented a lifelike performer capable of singing and dancing. This stands as the earliest written record of a concept resembling a robot in Chinese history. By the Three Kingdoms period, it was widely believed that Zhuge Liang was an expert in mechanical engineering. Records of the Three Kingdoms notes that during the 9th year of Jianyuan in the Shu Han dynasty, 231 AD, Zhuge Liang used flowing horses to transport grain supplies for his 4th northern expedition. The text even details the manufacturing methods and dimensional ratios of these devices. It describes the wooden oxen and flowing horses as tools that carry heavy loads but move slowly. For every 6 feet, a person walks. The ox moves 4 steps. Each ox can carry enough grain to feed tens of people for a month, requiring minimal human effort and no sustenance for the ox itself. Though the exact design of the wooden oxen and flowing horses has been lost to history, they clearly embodied robotic functions and structural principles. In modern times, robots have frequently appeared in science fiction novels and films, reflecting humanity's enduring fascination with these machines. In 1920, Czech playwright Karel Čapek first coined the term robot in his fantasy play Rossum's Universal Robots. In 1950, the renowned American science fiction author Isaac Asimov first proposed the famous 3 laws of robotics in his novel, I, Robot. A robot may not injure a human being or, through inaction, allow a human being to come to harm. A robot must obey the orders given to it by human beings, except where such orders would conflict with the first law. A robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Research on modern robots began in the mid-20th century. Advances in computer and automation technology, coupled with the development and application of atomic energy technology, have driven the rapid progress of modern industrial robots. Key milestones in the development stages of modern industrial robots are summarized in Table 1-1. Key events in the development of modern industrial robots. Figure 1 to 3 shows Unimate, the world's first industrial robot. Part 3. Extended Knowledge. Isaac Asimov, the 2nd of January 1920, the 6th of April 1992, was a renowned American science fiction writer, popular science author, and literary critic, and one of the leading figures of the golden age of American science fiction. Asimov authored nearly 500 books spanning a wide range of subjects, including natural science, social science, and literature and art. He was regarded as a pioneer in opposing pseudoscience, paranormal phenomena, and religious superstition. He described himself as one of the more serious schools of science fiction writers, emphasizing the scientific rigor of his works and rejecting shoddy, groundless speculation. His science fiction works are firmly rooted in scientific foresight, while also possessing profound ideological depth and artistic merit. They truly reflect the advancement of science and technology and its profound impact on human social progress, helping readers broaden their horizons, think creatively about the future, and explore the uncharted frontiers of knowledge. When Asimov first began writing robot stories, the field of robotics had not yet been established. By the time the technology had achieved significant breakthroughs, nearly every book on the history of robotics referenced him, his novels, and his invented 3 laws of robotics, which are hailed as the cornerstone of modern robotics. Part 4. Task Summary. The history of industrial robots can be traced back to the 1950s. With the continuous advancement of technology, the application scope of industrial robots has expanded significantly. Today, industrial robots have become indispensable equipment in manufacturing, greatly enhancing production efficiency and product quality. In the future, the integration of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and other emerging technologies will further broaden the applications of industrial robots, bringing new opportunities and challenges to the development of the manufacturing industry. That concludes our class for today. See you next time.